This video is strictly for informational purposes only and does not constitute any form of investment advice whatsoever. We urge you to always conduct your own thorough research before making any financial decisions. Imagine a world where blockchains talk to each other seamlessly without any barriers. Welcome to Polkadot, the revolutionary decentralized protocol launched in 2020 by Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood, designed to solve key issues in blockchain interoperability. Polkadot aims to connect various heterogeneous blockchain networks, enabling the seamless exchange of data and value between them, effectively addressing the critical limitations in interoperability and scalability that plague standalone blockchains. Often hailed as a blockchain of blockchains, Polkadot facilitates a vibrant multi-chain ecosystem where diverse blockchains can operate together efficiently, securely, and in harmony, promoting a unified digital future. At its very core lies the relay chain, which provides essential shared security, consensus mechanisms, and interoperability services for the entire Polkadot network, acting as the central nervous system. Connected directly to the relay chain are specialized blockchains known as parachains, each meticulously optimized for specific use cases like DeFi, gaming, or identity solutions, leveraging the network's power. These parachains benefit immensely from the relay chain's robust shared security model, which allows for parallel transaction processing across multiple chains, dramatically enhancing overall scalability and performance. Collator nodes diligently maintain individual parachains and produce block candidates, which are then rigorously validated by the relay chain's validators to ensure network integrity and security. The native DOT token plays a crucial role in Polkadot's thriving ecosystem, powering governance, security, and resource allocation through its multifaceted utilities. Firstly, DOT holders actively participate in on-chain governance, where they can propose network changes and vote on critical upgrades using the innovative Polkadot OpenGov system. Secondly, DOT is essential for staking within the nominated proof of stake, or NPS, consensus mechanism, where users secure the network and earn attractive rewards for their contributions. Finally, DOT is bonded by projects to secure parachain slots through competitive auctions, guaranteeing dedicated block space and resources for these specialized chains over extended periods. Polkadot's grand vision is to create a truly interconnected blockchain ecosystem, laying the foundation for the decentralized web known as Web 3, where everything works together seamlessly. This ambitious vision is powered by cross-consensus messaging, or XCM, which enables trust-free, secure communication between parachains and even external networks like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Key parachains such as Moonbeam, which provides full Ethereum virtual machine compatibility for easy dApp migration, and Aquila, a leading DeFi hub with stablecoin and lending features, exemplify the diverse applications thriving within Polkadot. Strategic bridges further extend Polkadot's reach, forging direct connections with major networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum, allowing smooth asset transfers and fostering a truly global, interconnected blockchain environment. The benefits of Polkadot are manifold, beginning with its enhanced scalability achieved through parallel processing on multiple parachains, enabling thousands of transactions per second without congestion. Parachains also enjoy full sovereignty, empowering them to customize their governance, logic, and functionality precisely for their specific needs while remaining protected by the relay chain. Rapid innovation is fostered through the powerful Substrate SDK, a modular framework that allows developers to build and launch custom blockchains with unprecedented ease and flexibility. And of course, the shared security model provided by the relay chain ensures robust, battle-tested protection for all connected parachains, eliminating the need for each to bootstrap its own validators. While Polkadot delivers significant advantages, it faces challenges common to cutting-edge blockchain technologies, including user adoption rates, intense competition from other Layer 0 protocols, and ongoing technical refinements. Looking ahead, the highly anticipated Polkadot 2.0 upgrade promises even greater flexibility, efficiency, and permissionless innovation to propel the ecosystem forward. Key features of Polkadot 2.0 include agile core time for flexible resource purchasing, async backing for faster block production, and elastic scaling for dynamic network growth, all optimized for superior performance. The groundbreaking JAM protocol aims to replace the traditional relay chain with a more flexible, permissionless system, further decentralizing operations and unlocking new possibilities for developers and users alike. Polkadot's journey began with Gavin Wood's visionary 2016 white paper, followed by a successful 2017 ICO that raised substantial funds, backed by the Web3 Foundation and spearheaded in development by Parity Technologies. Explore Polkadot further today and discover the immense potential of a truly interconnected blockchain future, where decentralized applications and value can flow freely across chains.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.